Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about quadratic equations. So this maths is intended to the grade 8 and grade 9 students. So I have here solve for x. The equation is having a negative exponent, so I have to simplify that equation later. So 4x raised to negative 2 minus x raised to negative 1 and the minus 5 is equals to 0. So to simplify this one is 4 times 1 over x squared. This topic is under the index laws or laws of exponents. So minus 1 over x. Then this will be minus 5 is equals to 0. So take note, 1 over x squared is equals to 1 x squared. So therefore, I can do this one as let u will be equal to 1 over x. So as what I said, if 1 over x squared is equals to 1 over x squared, so this will be 4u squared. And then this will be minus, because my u will be this one. So this one is u, and then minus 5 is equals to 0. So as what we know, if there is power of 2, meaning this is quadratic equation. So I need to factor this one by using my last option, which is QF or quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is u minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over by 2a. All we have to do is we have to gather our coefficients. Coefficients of a, which is 4, and then coefficient of b is negative 1, and then the last coefficient is c, negative 5. Okay, then we need to substitute from the formula. So u is equals to negative 1. Then plus and minus square root of b squared, which is negative 1 squared, minus 4, a is 4, then c is negative 5, all over by 2 times 4. Okay, so this will be negative times negative, that will be positive 1. Then plus and minus square root of negative 1 squared, that will be 1. And then negative times negative, that will be positive. As we know that 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. Then over 8. So I have here 1 plus and minus square root of 1 plus 80 is that will be 81 over 8. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience because my whiteboard has a limited space. So I have here u is equal to 1 plus and minus square root of 81 is 9, and then over 8. So I have u1 will be 1 plus 9 over 8. That will be 10 over 8. And then I need to reduce this one because they are even numbers. So dividing by 2, that will be 5. Divide this one by 2, that will be 4. Then my second factor, or u2, will be 1 minus 9 over 8. So 1 minus 9, that will be negative 8 over 8. And then I have now negative 1. So my solution sets are, for u, this is for u, 5 over 4 and negative 1. Then let's go back to the assumption. U equals 1 over x. So u is 5 over 4 and then 1 over x. Okay, cross multiply. So that will be 5x is equal to 4. To solve the value of x, I need to divide both sides by 5. So can I cross this one, cross out? This will be x equals 4 over 5. Okay. So I will go back to the given equation, which is 4, that will be 1 over x squared, and then minus 1 over x minus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be 4. This will be 1, 4 over 5 squared, minus 1. 4 over 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be 4. So I just multiply this one. So 4 times 1, that will be 4. And then this will be simplified. 4 squared, that will be 16. 5 squared, that will be 25. Then minus. So to simplify this complex fraction, this will be 5 over 4. Then minus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be 4 times 25 over 16. Minus 5 over 4 minus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be crossed out because I need to divide by 4, that will be 1. And then divide by 4, that will be 4. So I need to find the LCD. 4. Then this will be 25 minus. This will be 5. Then minus 25 times 5. 16. This will be 20 or 0. So 25 minus 5 minus 20. So sum up this one. So you have 25 minus negative 5, negative 20. That will be minus 25. Then this will be over 4 is equals to 0. So 25 minus 25, that will be 0 over 4. So 0 over 4, that will be 0. So for the first value of x is 4 over 5 is correct. How about 1? How about 1? So when x is equals to, I think, negative 1. So this will be 4 times 1 over negative 1 squared. Then minus 1 over negative 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be 4. Negative 1 squared is 1. Then take note, 1 over negative 1, that will be positive 1. Minus 5 is equals to 0. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Plus 1 minus 5 is equals to 0. So sum up 4 plus 5. That 4 plus 1, I mean 5. Minus 5 equals to 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0 equals to 0. So therefore, the roots are all correct. So x equals 4 over 5. And x equals negative 1. So these are the roots of the given equation. That's all.